Hello everyone, I am Ivory and now ituturo ko ang step-by-step on how to create RJ45 Ethernet Cable. So here's the materials. The first one is crimping tool, a cable tester, Cat6 UTP cable, and lastly we have RJ45. So first we have a crimping tool and a UTP cable, and we will cut the outer installation para mas maayos natin mahawakan yung twisted pair. So dito, iniikot ka na UTP cable sa crimping tool para i-cut yung outer installation niya. So after that is tatanggalin lang natin yung outer installation na nakat. Since napag-iwa-hiwalay na natin yung mga twisted pair, ang gagawin naman natin now is i-arrange siya. Sa pag-arrange is may sinusundan tayong color code which is white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. So dito is i-arrange na natin siya sa pagkakasunod-sunod niya. And now, pagkatapos natin i-arrange is ipapasok natin siya sa RJ45. So after pasok sa RJ45 is gagamit tayo ng crimping tool para i-lock and putulin yung mga wires. So sa part na to is na-crimp na natin siya, and after that, itatry na natin siya sa cable tester. So as you can see is nagana na siya from 1 to 8 ampere. At it means nagana na yung cable na ginawa natin. And that's it. Thank you for watching.